Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sayyidul Istighfar, the best dua for Allah's forgiveness. Allahumma anta rabbi la ilaha illa anta khalaqtani wa ana abduka wa ana ala ahdika wa wa'dika mastata'tu a'udzu bika min syarri ma sana'tu abu'u laka bi ni'matika alayya wa abu'u laka bi zambi faghfirli fa innahu la yaghfiru dzunuba illa anta. If somebody recites it during the day with firm faith in it and dies on the same day before the evening, he will be from the people of paradise. And if somebody recites it at night with firm faith in it and dies before the morning, he will be from the people of paradise. Sahih al Bukhari 6306.